In this video we want to look at solving this question, which says that the diagram shows part of the curve where A is a positive constant. We are given that the volume is 24 pi when the shaded region is rotated through 360 degrees. We now want to find the value of A of that curve. Now to solve this question, it's very easy. All that you need to know is that if you look at this shape, we're told that if this shaded region, if the region is rotated about the x-axis, that means if you are to rotate this shape, the shaded region, it will form something like a cylinder. It will have a hollow shape. Now, since it forms like a cylinder, so the volume of that will be given by integration from A to B of pi. Here we write y square and then dx. Now this formula, actually, if you can remember the volume of cylinder, it's pi radius square times height. Now here, if you look at it, we have the pi, we have the radius. Now in our case here, we are using the function, which is the curve that we are given here, and then the height, we are looking at the smallest distance of the shape that we are given. And the A and B, those are this is the starting point, that is the end point, which is in our case now to be 1 and 3. So it will now be, since we are given the volume, which is 24 pi, we write 24 pi equals to, and this side, since pi is a constant, we take it outside the integral. We now replace the A by 1 and then B by 3. And then instead of writing y square, we now write what is equal to y, which is A over x. Because the y is squared, we square this and then dx. Now I'll take this and then do it somewhere this side. That is the same as saying a square over x square when you square everything inside. But we also know if you have 1 over x, that is the same as x the power minus 1. So this is the same as writing a square x the power minus 2. So we can now rewrite this, say 24 pi equals to pi integral 1 to 3 a square x the power minus 2 dx. We are integrating with respect to x. We are told that a is a positive constant, so we have to move the a square out of the integral. So we are going to have 24 pi equals to a square pi and then 1 to 3 x the power minus 2 dx. Now here we have pi this side, we also have pi this side. This pi and this pi cancels out, then we have this side, we only have 24, while this side we only have a square. Now integrating that, we are going to have x the power minus 2 plus 1. We divide by what we have here, which is minus 2 plus 1, from 1 to 3. Now here we are going to have 24 equals to a square x to the power -2 plus 1, that is -1. And there's also the same here, but we can now write -1 in front of the x, 1 to 3. And then we have 24 equals to a square. And then we have, substituting in, we have 3 minus 1, and then minus this minus, we are subtracting. Let me rewrite it this side. We need to write something like this: 3 to the power 1 minus, and then this minus 1 to the power -1, like that. So this negative and this negative becomes positive, so I can write positive here, and then 1 to the power -1, and then we have 24 a square. Now what we can see here, this -3 to the power -1, that is the same as having -1 over 3 plus 1. Anything to the power 1 is just 1. So this is the same as saying we have -1 plus 3 over 3, which is positive 2 over 3. Then I have 2 over 3. So here I can now multiply both sides by 3, so that this 3 and that 3 can cancel, and then I have 3 times 24 equals to 2a square. I divide both sides by 2 so that that can cancel also, and then now my a square is equal to 3 times 24 over 2. But because we are interested in finding a, not a square, then we have to take square root on both sides. Here specifically we're interested in the positive. 24 over 2. You can now take a calculator. 3 times 24, we have 60. Wait, here we have 12, 1, 6, 7. 7 divided by 72 divided by, where's the calculator here? Let me, okay, wait. We have 24 by 3. We have 12 here. Here we have 6, 7. Okay, 72. So when we have that, we get 36. Is it 36? Yes, 36. So square root of 36 is equal to 6. Therefore our a is positive 6. We know when you take square root we have negative there, but we are following the instruction here that a should be strictly positive. That's why we are only considering a positive number. Basically that is how you can actually find that number. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe for more videos, and please do comment, like and share the video with your friends. Thank you so much.